All right. Welcome back to the channel. I've had this rehab project going on for quite some time, and I know that every rehabber that does fix and flips gets the feeling at some point or another of when will this ever be done? Well, we're going to go back down to the little house in Mansfield today. This is the real deal. This isn't a 1 hour scripted television show where at the end of the hour, the house is going to be finished and sold. We just don't know what's going to happen at the end of this series, but let's head down to the house today. The contractors asked me for some paint selections last week, which is a good sign. So maybe we see some paint today. I don't know. Let's go down and find out. My name is Tony. This is Run the Comps. Here we go. All right, check it out. We got some guys over here working today, and we got a fresh coat of paint on the exterior of this house. We put a little mega grayish on there with some blue trim. Kind of looks pretty good. I mean, it goes well together. It goes good with the roof and everything. You can see the guys are working on this front door right now, trying to get it squared up. We got a brand new front door going in, and you can see they're like, we'll get it squared up. It's been a tough job here trying to get everything square and level and all of that. And so, this is great news. While the guys are working on the front door, I'm going to walk around to the side over here. Oh, yeah, they did determine that these light fixtures do work. They're hardwired in with a sensor on there. So that's good news. Don't have to replace any exterior light fixtures. So here's the side door. This is where we're going to be putting a little small little deck to go with this side entry door here. And you take a walk around the back side. Nothing really crazy over here. Again, the blue trim works pretty well with this little house here. Hopefully some buyer will think that it looks really great. Sure they will. We've yet to do anything with the air conditioner. They've just been running big industrial fans in the house to stay cool because it's been really, really hot. But we did get some rain this weekend, so that's good. Not so good for construction because then you get muddy feet everywhere, but it is easier to dig your holes and stuff, as we've seen in previous videos with the foundation guys. And so when we go in here, this is great. We've got a mixer valve installed for the shower. And turns out we had to order some custom size shower stalls. We're doing the fiberglass style insert shower stalls. And they're going to be a 36 by 36, which you can't buy those off the shelf at Home Depot, so you have to special order them. And we're going to be doing a 24-inch vanity. We just measured all this stuff off. We're going to do 24-inch vanities in both bathrooms. I mean, these are small bathrooms. It's a small house, so you have to kind of make things fit as best you can. All right, let's move along here. In the other bathroom, same thing. Got the mixer valve installed. They took the light bulb out, so there's no light in here right now. But they're working on that stuff. And also, look here. They've painted everything on the inside. Yeah, so everything's been painted. All the walls have been painted agreeable gray, which is a pretty popular color. It goes with everything. And so got the ceilings painted white. We got all those stains in the ceiling are gone. The room smells fresh and clean now. And we'll come through here. Got some trim on the ceiling. Ceiling trim has been installed to kind of give this room a little bit of separation from the living area, because that's kind of where we took that wall down that separated these two rooms before. And Let's go see what's going on in here. Hey, Aaron, what's happening? All right, look, looks like y'all got a brand new water heater installed. That's pretty awesome. Got it done right, sitting on that stand, kind of elevated off the floor here so that the inspectors will be happy when they come to look at it. And then back around here on this side, yeah, we've got the washer box installed, got the electricity in here, the floor is in. So yeah, super happy about what's going on in this area. And, you know, we talked about it earlier. We could do maybe a barn door here over this laundry area. I think that would be an excellent type of installation that we could do here. So for the kitchen, we were talking about, we're going to put the refrigerator over here in the left corner, and then a dishwasher, sink basin. We'll come around on this wall, which is where the oven and range and Venta hood is going to be. And then finally, we'll cap it off with a pantry here at the end. So that's going to look really nice. So it's looking like it might be a good idea to put some gutters out here. You can see after they painted, we got that rain last night. It splashed up a little bit on that skirt down there. So put us a little gutter along the top side with a couple of downspouts on each end. Hopefully that will help keep the house clean when it rains. And then still haven't decided what to do with this front porch, but I think we're going to build maybe like a little pergola or something, some sort of cover to make the entry of the house a little more attractive and give it some curb appeal. You can see over here on this side, still some of that original siding. This is some of the original siding from the house. And we got it all patched up and cleaned up and painted. And it's all the same color now, so it really doesn't look as bad as it did earlier in our process here. And one of the next things that we're going to be looking at is, what do we need to do to get this air conditioner running again? That air conditioner was working once upon a time, but when the foundation guys were here working, they were running that air conditioner, and then for one reason or another, it just started blowing warm air and was dripping a lot down there in the air conditioner closet inside the house. There's a pump in there that was pumping the condensation back outside, but I just said, let's turn it all off, let it dry out, because it was really wet underneath that air conditioner closet. So it's all dried out now, and that's going to be one of the next things that we start talking about. But yeah, it's really good to see that we're getting some progress here today. I mean, what do y'all think about the color scheme there? Yeah, it's pretty beige. It's actually mega grayish, but that blue trim makes it look pretty good. I think we're going to paint the front door the same color blue. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments what you think we should do with that front door. Should we do a different color blue that fits with this color palette, or just go ahead and use some of the paint that we already have and paint that brand new front door the same color as the trim? Let me know. All right, so feeling pretty good about where we're at right now. Are we there yet? No, but we will be soon. And this next week, we're looking at starting on some floors. Going to get some self-leveling base for the floor so we can lay some LVP flooring and possibly get those shower stalls put in, and who knows what else. We'll come back next week and check it out and see where we're at with it then. Until next time, thanks for joining me. I'm Tony. This is Run the Comps. I'm out.